guys, welcome back to my channel. So as you can see from the title, we're going to be using our little piece of fabric from the other video, from our other crop top to make a one-hand ruched top. Okay, one-hand crop ruched top. Yeah, let me just call it that way. So what I'm doing right now, I kind of like had a one-hand top, so I'm just using it as a template to do the outlining. So I'll just go ahead to get my chalk. This is actually this chalk doesn't really show like that, but I'm actually seeing. I'm sorry if you cannot see, but what I'm doing, I'm just outlining it, okay, so that I'll have something to work with, just like that. Okay, so if you've not watched my other video, please go ahead to watch it, okay? Like not now, okay? Just finish with this one before you go watch it. So the link is gonna be on the description box, okay? So you go check it out, please. Thank you. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go ahead to get my scissors and cut it out. Now we have something to work with. Okay, we're being led, so yeah, I'm just cutting it out, from the excess fabric. We no longer need this, okay? We don't want them again. Their job is done, and we're just saying goodbye, you get. So yeah, that's it. So we're gonna go ahead to flip it the right way up, but before we flip it, we're gonna use our safety pin to hold that, so you're not gonna be confused. Okay, so you're not gonna be confused of which side to face. So we're gonna use that to flip it. You can remove it later, just after flipping it. Okay, just be guided. That's just to make you guided. Okay, so when you flip it, you're gonna use the UHU gum to gum that through. Okay, you're gumming the right side up, you get. Please don't gum the wrong side. I mean the back side. You just have to gum the right side. Then you can get rid of your safety pin if you didn't. Okay, so after getting rid of the safety pin, I went ahead to glue that side down. Okay, and then this side too. You're gonna have your fabric glue is gonna be everywhere. Like I said this before, it's gonna be everywhere. It's gonna be even in your eyes, everywhere. But the struggle won't last. Okay, just keep it up, eh? Let's just do this. So right now I'm just going to hem the top, okay, so it's not going to look rough, and you don't want to be out there looking rough. You want to be looking outstanding. Yeah, that's the goal, right? So you're gonna go ahead to hem the edges. Should I say hem it down or glue it down? Anyone, just say it. Okay, the fabric couldn't hold, so I just decided to use my scissors, okay, to just hold it for a while. My USU gum dries in like what? I don't know. It's just depending on the kind of fabric glue you're using, okay? Just make sure to make the right choice. This one, I've been using this one for like 2 years. It's actually really good. So if you want to get a gum, this particular fabric glue is very perfect. Okay? Yeah, okay. I'm sorry I made this video a little bit too lengthy, but I just want you guys to understand, okay? Don't be bored. We are learning, right? So what I did, I flipped through the other side, and then I also went ahead to hem that too. Hem that side down, okay? So when you are applying your glue, you're gonna make sure to apply it bit by bit. You don't want it to be too much for you, because it will get too much. So you just apply bit by bit, small. Okay, you get my point, right? I know you do. So yeah, I'm applying it in the arm side. Okay, you see, I'm not just doing everything at the same time. I'm just doing it bit by bit, so it's not gonna hook me up. So I flipped it the other way through. Yeah, our fabulous one hand top is ready. Okay, so now what we're gonna go ahead to do is the rouge stuff. Yeah, we're gonna go ahead to do that rouge stuff, but this is a cute one hand top. Okay, so the rouge is what we're about to do right now. So I'm gonna measure 2 cm of this fabric, just 2 cm. Okay, it doesn't have to be too big. I actually like my stuff small. Okay, but if you want to enlarge it so it's not going to give you difficulties when you're putting your fabric through, then it's all up to you. Like, just do you. Okay, so I went ahead to cut this all out. Okay, this must have probably dried for like how many minutes? Like some hot minutes. So okay, it's ready to be used. So remember to always let it dry. Okay, if it's not dry, you don't work on it. So what you worked on before, it's not going to be damaged. All right. So I'm working with those 2 little stuff there. Then I'm gonna go ahead to get my fabric glue and apply it on the side that I hemmed, and then I'm going to take my fabric, my little excess fabric, and attach it, like just glue it down there to just one side of it. Okay, then pick the other one, apply the glue, and let it on one side. Okay, yeah, just like that. What we're gonna do, we're gonna go ahead to the other side that was remaining, apply the fabric glue. Okay, make sure it doesn't block the space that your fabric is going to pass through. Okay, so you won't have to like destroy whatever you did. That could be really stressful. I know. Okay, so we just go ahead to do the same thing on this other side. Just be careful. You just need to be careful. That's just it, because this stuff is super simple to make. Like, it's really simple to make. Okay, so when that is done, we're gonna go ahead to let's just leave that to dry. Like that to dry for like some minutes, hours, anything. Okay. And then we're gonna go ahead to measure same 2 centimeter on excess fabric that was here. Then we'll go ahead to cut it out. See, we made that how many? 2. That 2 wasn't enough, so I decided to use something else. Like, you're gonna see that. You're gonna see that. Just hold on. Yeah. So yeah, that was like 2, and then I got another one. You will have to maximize your fabric because you know, like, I mean, I don't think I threw away. I used almost everything, for real. I used almost everything because I made sure to maximize my fabric very well. So we're going to go ahead to join all of these together. We're going to go ahead to join all of them together to make one straight. Is that a rope? Anything you want to call it. Okay, just yeah. Don't mind me. I'm getting distracted. So we're gonna go ahead to apply our fabric glue in the right side. Remember, right side, okay? Right side, just stare down. We have one long rope, so this actually took me a lot of time, for real. Actually took me a lot of time, but it was worth it though. Yeah, it was for real. Just do the same thing down, okay? Then you leave it to dry for like some hot minutes. When you leave it to dry, you're gonna go ahead to use your loop toner. Okay, I didn't have a loop toner at the time I made this video. Okay, so I went ahead to use my safety pin, improvising. Okay, you just have to make it work. So I just improvised. I used my safety pin, and then I did what I had to do because I wasn't gonna leave what I was doing to go buy a loop toner. Nah. So this actually took me a lot of time. A loop toner could just be like in few seconds you're done. This actually took me a lot of time. Like it was so stressful too. So I advise you get a loop toner instead of using a safety pin. I was just improvising because you're just gonna make it work, okay? So when you use a loop toner, you're gonna turn this over to the right side. Okay, now this is going to look more yeah, we have one long rope right there. So we're gonna go ahead to get our one hand up and then pull it through. We just use that space that was there. We just use our safety pin to guide the rope through it. Okay, make sure that you had a space that is going to make your fabric be comfortable. You don't want something that it's now. Yeah. So yeah. So we're gonna do the same thing to the other side. Pull it out too. Okay, just the same thing, sure. Use a safety pin and guide it through that space that was meant for it. Right. I can't wait to rock this top. Like, really? Oh my god. So our one hand ruched top is ready. It's so ready. So guys, when I got rid of my safety pin, I just decided to use a scissors to just style that place, basically because of the hole that was created from that safety pin. Okay, so our one hand ruched top is ready. Like, we are ready to rock these outfits. Like, oh my god. So this is how it looks like. This is how a one hand ruched top looks like. It's so beautiful. Like, just let me know your comments down in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching. Okay, please give this video a thumbs up. And oh my god, like this is really good. Like I really can't get over this. I can't wait to rock this out. Okay, this is fire, man. Oh my god. Thank you guys. Let's stay connected.